Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So on this use case, we are on the last track. I mean the last step. So here we have to stop the Apache service and we have to drop the existing VM. And so our motto is like whenever we drop the Apache page or whenever you have to drop the existing instance, the end user should not be impacted. I mean, if you drop it, the VM instance would be created again, and also whatever the data is inside the existing VM, that should be replicated inside the new VM. Okay, so let me stop the Apache service here. Okay, so once Apache service we stop, if we try to access the home page, the Apache it should not be accessible, right? So let me just double check whether the page is opening or not here, but it should not be because we have already stopped the service on the back end. Okay, so it is checking, it's keep checking the Apache home page, so that's the reason it is showing this error. Okay, you can see the VM instance is off. Okay, however it stopped the Apache web service, so that's the reason. Like if the user is trying to open the Apache homepage, it's not reachable because the reason behind it, we have already stopped the service. Okay, so while creating the load balancer, we take the that is two like the balancing mode, right? One is the utilization and second is the rate, right? Like the rate per second and the how much utilization it will be, it goes to the load balancer. So in that case now, like we have to define a very low number because that's why it is trying to check number of read per reading, like because we have only one user, one user is trying to check the web page, right? So as we have already defined the 100 like the read per seconds, so that's why it is taking long time to create, replicate the new instance, right? So okay, so here we have done another options, like we can stop the instance to see whether the new instance is creating or not. Okay, so let me go to the VM instances, let me drop it. Okay, but as per our rule, like it should be created. Okay, so let me stopping. Okay, I stop the old instance, but whatever the data like the MySQL things is in my old instance, it should be on the new instance. Okay, because on the startup script we have mentioned whenever the new instance will be launched, the the pre-request package like the Apache or PHP or the MySQL should be installed automatic, right, while launching the new instance. So in the instance group we have mentioned like if the old instance would be stopped automatic, like uh, like we have the stateful things, right? So it would be created automatic. So it's taking some time to off the instance. So you can see the VM is reachable and we are able to access the UI through the like the VM UI. Okay, but it's taking some time to run. Okay, but you can see now for the load balancer also you are able to open it. Thank you guys.